Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Coinbase quizzes. These educational modules, often called Coinbase Earn, are a fantastic way to gain knowledge about different cryptocurrencies. By watching short videos and answering simple questions, you can earn small amounts of crypto. It's designed to introduce you to new digital assets and help you understand their purpose and technology. To participate in Coinbase quizzes, you must have a fully verified Coinbase account. This includes completing all necessary identity verification steps. While many quizzes are widely available, specific offerings can depend on your geographic location. For users in the UK, new regulations might require passing a general crypto knowledge quiz to enable buying and selling on the platform. Passing these quizzes is straightforward. Each module presents short, informative videos, usually 1 to 3 minutes long, that contain all the information needed for the quiz question. The quizzes themselves are generally simple, often with just one question per video. The best part is, if you answer incorrectly, you can simply try again until you choose the right option, making it easy to pass every time. While individual quiz rewards are usually small, often between $1 and $10 in crypto, these earnings can accumulate. It's important to remember that new quizzes are not always available, so regularly checking the Earn section is a good idea. You can choose to hold the crypto you earn, hoping its value increases, or swap it for other cryptocurrencies on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.